Welcome to Be Amplified, your spiritual oasis. Here you can rediscover your superpower of simply being. Our curated collection of meditations will take you on a journey back to your natural self, where beauty, wisdom, peace, and joy reside. Join our growing community by subscribing, and then give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments how we can best support you moving forward. Thanks for being here, and let's begin today's meditation. Hello, and welcome to this meditation practice to attune with your heart and to download answers to questions you have from your heart, which really symbolizes your soul. It's like a doorway to enter your deep inner self and to connect with your soul or your essence, your most true self. So feel free to come into a comfortable position. You're welcome to lie down if you think you can stay awake in a lying down position. And then go ahead and let your eyes come to close. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through an open mouth, and let your body relax into the position that you've chosen. And then just invite your breath to begin slowing down and smoothing it out. You can breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. Letting go of any tension across your face, releasing your jaw, letting your shoulders drop. Feeling the space of your belly moving with your breath. And letting the weight of your body collect in the foundation of your pelvis, your legs, and your feet. And as you grow heavier through the foundation of your body, grow lighter up through your spine, letting the crown of your head reach upward towards the sky. And connecting to your heart space now, shifting your mind's eye down into the center of your chest, and begin to sense how your heart, how this area of your body is physically feeling today. And let the breath circulate through this area. And if you notice tension, maybe there's tightness in the chest or holding across your upper back or around your shoulders, just see if you can breathe out and invite any tension you notice to soften. And as you're here with your heart, also just acknowledging any emotions that seem to arise as you connect to this area. And then just connecting to energy, connecting to the energetic heart. So moving from the physical domain of your body into this energetic domain. And sometimes when we make that shift, You'll feel as if your heart maybe takes up a little bit more space. Sometimes you'll begin to actually feel how energy is swirling or moving around this area, different than the breath. And sometimes when you connect into your energy, you may begin to see things with your mind's eye. For example, maybe you see a color within your heart space. Now, the purpose of this practice today was first to attune to your heart, which you've done. And then the second part of the practice is to ask your heart a question. I'll offer up a question, but feel free to make this question your own. If you came to the practice with a question, use your question. That's not a problem. But if you don't have a question right now, what I suggest you ask your heart is, what do you long most for right now? What do you long for most right now? So asking your heart directly that question, what it longs for most right now, or ask it your own question. And then we're going to sit silently for 1 minute to just listen. The answer, the response may come instantly or not. Sometimes the answers come later on. But we're going to listen so that the heart knows it is being heard, so that the heart knows that we are here to listen to what it has to say. And as you're listening, tune in, if possible, to your heart beating. You may or may not be able to hear your heart beating, but you may be able to sense your heart beating. And you can always rest a hand over your chest, which can help you sense that beating of the heart a little bit better. And just listen to the silence. Listen to the quietness emanating from your heart. And see what comes. And as we move through this next minute, your breath remains smooth, steady, and even. All right. So letting your attention release that beating of your heart and just notice your entire body. and feel the breath coming in and out of your body. And noticing how you feel from just taking 1 minute to sit in silence with your heart, attuning to the rhythm of your own heart, and being receptive to any messages that your heart has for you. And again, remember that the heart may have spoken to you instantly. It may have spoken to you through sensations, feelings, images that came into your mind, or maybe even direct words that felt like they were coming through you, through your heart, to your conscious mind. But your heart may also deliver a message to you later on. But know that once you have asked a question, the answer is coming. I recommend doing this practice frequently to get accustomed to being tuned into you and tuned into your heart, which is a gateway to your soul, so that you can be guided from this place, this essential place within. All of the answers you seek reside right here in your own heart. After this practice today, if you have time and you want to do a little journaling, it can be really helpful to continue downloading wisdom from your heart. Writing can expand upon this connection that you've already established with yourself, and it can allow you to pull out even more information. Before we wrap up this meditation, let's ground the experience today. So the next time you breathe in, draw your breath in and down towards the tip of your tailbone. And then as you breathe out, imagine the breath and your energy moving down into the floor and then all the way into the earth. And repeat that twice more, just breathing in and down to the tip of your tailbone. Exhaling, pressing your energy, pressing your breath down through the floor into the earth. One more time, breathing in, breathing out, letting your energy travel down into the earth like you're growing roots. And at the deep, deep base of your roots, planting a little seed. This seed is you in alignment with your heart. You're anchoring this alignment, you're anchoring this vibrational state, not only within yourself in this moment, but also here upon the planet. Let's take one last deep breath in through the nose. Sigh it out through an open mouth. May you allow this connection with yourself and with your heart guide you throughout the rest of your day.